My name is Petrus Ariel. I hold doctorate degree in theology, but my journey began in information technology. I started my career in the banking industry as an IT programmer and corporate banking account officer. And later, I worked as an outsourced consultant in an American oil and gas company. Today, at 60, officially retired, I still active as a video editor, content creator, graphic designer, mainly serving Christian media. I have produced hundreds of videos for Christian television and many design even without formal degree in communication visual design. I am a freelance preacher, often invited to preach in churches and Christian TV network. I am persistent, always learning, never afraid to embrace something new. Let's connect. I like to collaborate something meaningful.